So you want to write a song or start producing music. Where do you begin? Let's face it, jumping into something new can feel overwhelming. Especially when it comes to music, there can feel like there's so much to uncover before you even begin. But the truth is, you don't need to be bogged down by all the jargon and technical details to have a full and rich understanding of how music works. There's a lot of noise out there that really isn't that important. All you really need to understand is that there are 7 notes. You can do that. You see, humans really love music that's based on a pattern of 7 notes called the major scale. This pattern can be played starting with any note on the piano. But you don't have to worry about keys or what notes are in a scale. Just remember that every major scale has 7 notes that follows a pattern that humans really love. I know you might not believe me yet. Can it really be that simple? Here's a song in C major. That just means that the scale that the notes are in begins on C.
Just a small town girl, living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere.
And here it is in D major.
Just a small town girl, living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere.
What do you notice? Sure, the notes in the second version are all a bit higher, but the melodies, the notes that you're actually singing along to, feel the same. And that's because even when the actual notes change, their position in the scale stayed the same. The essence of music lies within the notes' relative position in the scale, not their absolute names. No matter what key songs are in, we can think of all music in terms of these same 7 notes. We talk about this idea using relative notation, which describes that position in the scale by using numbers 1 through 7. These 7 building blocks are so important that at Hooktheory, we've also added colors. Our goal is to make it simple to identify those 7 notes wherever you go because they're that important. They're in our books, our songwriting editor, and our song database that shows you how real songs are built. All you have to do is focus on the colors. Just those 7 notes, and you're already analyzing and comparing music. Now, of course, there's a lot more to get into, like how notes form chords and melodies, but we'll cover that in other videos. Once you can identify these 7 notes throughout music, you're well on your way.